So in the previous video, we have seen that we have to write code in Kotlin, and we have installed IntelliJ IDEA. But as I said, we require just like we require SDK for Android Studio, we require JDK for um, IntelliJ IDEA. So what is JDK? JDK, or the Java Development Kit, is a cross-platform software development environment that offers a collection of tools and libraries necessary for developing Java-based software, application, and applets. So I'll explain in it basic words. I have given you an analogy for SDK. If you remember, like just like we need groceries, so you can think of JDK or SDK as grocery store, and you can think of the IntelliJ IDEA or the IDE as kitchen. So we need groceries from the grocery store to prepare food in the kitchen. Similarly, we need some libraries or some tools from the JDK or the SDK to prepare code in, to develop to run a code in the IDE. Okay, so the JDK is one of the three core technology package used in Java programming along with JVM and JRE. JVM is the Java Virtual Machine, JRE is the Java Runtime Environment. Okay, so the JVM is the Java Platform Component that executes program. Okay, so JVM is plays role in the execution of program. The JRE is the on-disk part of Java that creates the JVM. Okay, so basically the JVM is a part of JRE, and the JDK allows developer to create Java programs that can be executive and run by the JVM and JRE. So it will be more clear by this. The JDK contains the JRE and some development tools. The JRE contains the JVM and some library classes, and the JVM executes the code. The distinction between JDK and JRE is that JDK is a package of tool for developing Java-based software, whereas JRE is a package of tool for running Java code. So the JDK is a tools for developing the Java-based software, and JRE is for running. Okay, the JDK requires JRE because running Java program is a part of developing them. So now we will be proceeding to install the JDK. Before installing the JDK, go to this PC or my computer, click on properties, and we are just seeing if your operating system is a 64-bit or a 32-bit. So my operating system is a 64-bit operating system. If yours is a 32-bit, please note that. Now we will go to Google and we will type JDK for Windows. Okay, so we will click the link of Java downloads by Oracle, and if you are using Linux or Mac OS, please download from here. For Windows user, please go to Windows tab, and for 64 installer, download the 64 installer, and here it is downloading. So while that downloads for Mac OS users, please download from here, and for Linux users, install the JDK from here. So as it is installed, open the JDK, click on yes, wait for the installer to open, click on next, and the Java is installing on your device. So now as Java is installed successfully, we have to close this, close this also. So now what we have to do is we have to check where Java is in our system or not. So what we'll do is we will go to the run and type cmd here, Okay, and we will type the command java c. So it is directly installed in my computer. But if you are not seeing this, if you are seeing that it is not a recognizable command, then what you do is you will go to this PC or my computer. Okay, you will go to Windows C. You will go to the program files and find Java in it. Click on the JDK. Click on the bin folder. Copy the path from here. Control C. Click on the above part and Control C. Okay, go to this PC again. Go to the properties, and here go to advanced system settings. In advanced system settings, go to environment variables. So if you are not seeing it, it must be not in your environment variable. So what you want to do is in the user variables, click new, and here create Java and give the variable value this. Okay, then click OK, and then click OK and OK. And now we will, when you will type in the cmd command java c, then it will be showing this. Okay,